Hey guys, my name is Courtney Budzyn. Hey guys, my name is Courtney Budzyn. If you are new here, and this is What's for Din. Spring is finally here. It's here. Can you believe it? So today I wanted to show you guys my spring salad recipe that is to die for. It is fresh, it is citrusy, it is crisp and refreshing. It's the kind of weather that you don't want to be inside cooking, but you want to be outside enjoying it, and this recipe is so simple. So before we go on with the recipe, don't forget to subscribe and click the little post notification bell. That way you get notified every single time I upload a video. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is work on our dressing. So as you can see, I am mincing up some garlic, and I'm not doing a spectacular job because I'm going to grind it in my mortar and pestle. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt to help it break down, and I'm going to grind it until it turns into a really nice garlicky paste. Now if you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can definitely just mince it as fine as you can. So as long as it looks like this, it'll be perfect. So to that, we're going to add some olive oil and a good helping of sumac. Now sumac is a traditional seasoning used in Middle Eastern cuisine. It has a very light lemony flavor without the bitterness that normal lemon has. It is absolutely delicious. There is no replacing it. So if you can find it in your grocery store, you gotta buy it because it's so good. And then we're going to add some fresh lemon juice. Now I definitely suggest using fresh lemon juice. Do not use the stuff in the bottle or else I will come slap you myself. I'm just kidding, I won't slap you, but definitely use fresh if possible. And of course, you don't want to forget to add some black pepper and mix that up. And it's at this point you can taste it and see if it needs any more salt or any more seasonings. It's totally up to you. So you can go ahead and set that aside, and we're going to work on the salad. So a salad is a salad. You can make it any way you want. You can put anything you want into it, but I'm going to be using some fresh English cucumber because it doesn't have a lot of seeds. And I'm also going to be using some fresh strawberries. Now these babies are delicious and beautiful, and boy do they make this salad poppin'. Like I'm telling you, add the strawberries. It's just so delicious. So I just cut those into bite-sized pieces, add those to the bowl, and I'm also going to be adding an orange. Now I know what you're thinking. This is not a fruit salad, but let me tell you, the citrus in this salad just makes it like a sweet and salty flavor that is undeniably delicious. You can even use apple if you want. It's totally up to you. So just chop the orange into bite-sized pieces. And then I'm also going to add some fresh parsley. I usually add parsley and fresh mint because the mint really makes all of the flavors come to life. But unfortunately, none of the stores in my area had fresh mint yet. Wah, wah, wah. And add that to the bowl, give it a good stir, and set it aside, and we're going to work on the chicken. So I'm just using the traditional 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, and some of that sumac that we used in the dressing. Some garlic powder, some dried dill, and a little bit or a lot of cayenne. Of course I had to add the cayenne. I know it seems like a lot of spices, but it really does make a difference. Then you can throw those on a hot charcoal grill and cook them all the way through until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have a charcoal grill, use it because that charcoal really gives a great flavor to the chicken, and there is no replacement for that flavor. So last but not least, we're just going to assemble the salad. So I'm going to be using some spring greens that are already pre-washed and pre-cut for me. You can get this blend at the grocery store. Then I'm going to add all of my toppings, pour on a little bit of the dressing, slice up my grilled chicken, and add that on top. And then add a lot more dressing and some feta cheese. Now the best way to get optimal flavor is to put it in a giant bowl and mix it all together. You want to blend that dressing over everything so that everything gets evenly coated. So here is the beautiful and colorful final product. It is still nice outside, so I'm going to hurry up and end this video so I can go outside and eat this because it is beautiful out. So here we go with the bite. Oh man, that citrus just explodes onto everything, and it just makes it like sweet and salty at the same time. So good. And the chicken, boy, is that juicy. The chicken is super tender and juicy and very flavorful. It just goes perfect with this salad. Oh, I spit, I'm sorry. So if you guys want to remake this recipe, just look below in the description box. I'll leave all the measurements as well as the written instructions. And if you did like this video, don't forget to smack that like button. And don't forget to turn on the little bell notification. That way you get notified every single time I upload a video. If you don't hit that, you're probably not going to see my video. So just letting you know. So as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and we'll see you next time. Peace.